Marketing and advertising strategy. Once you have your product, and a website to sell it from, you have a few options to start selling. The simplest is to send potential customers directly to your sales page. If you have designed it correctly, then this should lead to immediate conversions. People will land on the page, like what you have to say, and then buy from you. Business, very often, is about finding a great product, and then connecting that to the right audience. Finding a route to market. One way to do this is to find your route to market. This is a business term that basically means you're going to identify a way in which you can reach the audience you want to sell to. You might already have an audience that you built up before watching this video. Perhaps you're already a successful blogger or YouTuber. That is now your route to market, your access to the people that will buy what you're going to sell. But if you don't already have such an audience, the best strategy is just to find one that is sitting there waiting. In other words, don't build an audience and then try and find a product to fit. Choose a product because you are aware of an audience that's out there, or find the audience and then find the product. A route to market could be any of the following things: a Facebook page, a forum or online community, a subreddit, a magazine, a real-world club or class. What you might even find is that you already have connections or already have established authority. If you are a prominent member of an online gardening community, then why wouldn't you use that to your advantage by looking for a gardening product to sell? You already have the access and the trust, and all that's remaining is to introduce the solution to their problem. I was once good friends with the editor of a magazine, and that meant I knew that they would be willing to run the stories that I gave them. This provided me with a perfect and easy route to market, but to be honest, approaching any smaller magazine in an industry like that could have achieved a similar and a captive audience that other people weren't selling to. Promoting via social media. One of the best routes to market out there is social media. Many of us think of social media as a tool we can use to promote our own brand by generating followers. But in fact, this is also a platform and a place where people congregate around a subject or a topic. Some fantastic routes to market that exist on social media and social sharing sites that are completely free to use are: Facebook pages, Google+ communities, TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, subreddits, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. But you might be protesting at this point already. You might be ready to say that you've tried this technique, you've posted your best content here, and you've not had any response. There are a few reasons this may not have worked so far. If you want to share products on a forum, then it is key that you first build up the trust and authority there. Post regularly, answer questions, help people out, and generally make yourself popular there before you try and sell. If you sign up and then immediately try selling, then you'll be banned, or at least your post will be ignored. It might not feel like work, but one of the best things you can do for your business is to hang out in these online communities, joke around, and make yourself known as someone who isn't just there to spam. Another good tip is to think carefully about whether you're actually providing value to this audience. The big mistake is to post articles and content that is simply there to promote your own products, or that is just a rehash of posts that already exist. You need to post things that are interesting, engaging, and emotionally engaging. In other words, you don't want to post an article on how to get abs in a week. Instead, you should aim to post articles about cardio acceleration for incredible weight loss and body recomposition. In other words, something new, something exciting. Clickbait, but where the content actually lives up to the promise. In the title, driving sales with PPC. The other way to get direct sales is to set up a PPC campaign that will drive potential buyers directly to your website. This is a strategy that Tim Ferriss describes as setting up a muse in his book The 4-Hour Workweek. The great thing about this method is that it will allow you to earn money entirely passively, and with the absolute minimum set up. You just find a product, set up a sales page, then send people there via adverts. The downside, of course, is that this does involve a little investment. PPC ads are pay-per-click. That means that you're going to pay for the advertising only when the ad gets clicked. This amount will be determined by you. You decide how much you're willing to pay as your maximum. However, because your ads will compete for space with other advertisers, the more money you pay, the more your ads will be seen. More competitive spaces of course cost more than less competitive ones. The two biggest PPC platforms are than less competitive ones. The two biggest PPC platforms are TikTok, Google AdSense, WhatsApp, YouTube etc. Facebook Ads. Google AdWords. Facebook Ads let you show ads to Facebook users based on their location, age, sex, interests, and more. Google AdWords lets you show ads based on what people are searching for their keywords. If you advertise on a keyword like buy hats online, then this of course will mean you attract people who want to buy hats. The key to success on AdWords and Facebook ads is to set your budget just right. Work out your CLV, customer lifetime value, by looking at what percentage of people who visit your site buy from you, your conversion rate, and how many times. Then find the average amount of profit for each sale. So if you have 1,000 customers and 2 people buy from you averaging $600, then you can say that your CLV is $600/1,000. That's a customer lifetime value of 60 cents. As long as the amount you pay per click is lower than this, then you can almost guarantee that you will make a profit from your PPC campaign. As you reinvest more profits, you can grow and scale your business. And as you refine your sales page with better copy and refine your ads with better targeting, meaning they are showing to people who are likely to buy from you, you can increase the CLV as well. This is the simple equation to an almost guaranteed marketing campaign. Hello, valued subscriber. Turn on the notification bell, so that when we upload a new video it will get to you first. May God bless you as you do so. Thanks. Kindly subscribe friends to encourage us. Please don't forget to like our videos, our YouTube channel. Please help us share the video, as much as possible. Assist our growth please and please. Bravo, bravo, and bravo. May God bless you all.